Number 5. Green-winged macaw. Ranging across Central and South America, this majestic giant stuns with emerald wings, deep red feathers, and a reputation as the gentle giant of macaws. Number 4. Blue and yellow macaw. Soaring across the Amazon basin, this iconic blue-gold giant is known for forming lifelong bonds and mimicking human speech with charm. Number 3. Eclectus Parrot. Living in New Guinea and nearby islands, this species boasts dramatic gender colors, bright red females, emerald green males, and a calm, gentle nature. Number 2. Scarlet Macaw. A living rainbow of Central and South America, this forest guardian is known for its wild intelligence and thunderous, jungle-echoing calls. Number 1. Hyacinth Macaw. From the Pantanal wetlands of Brazil, the world's largest parrot stuns with deep sapphire feathers and a surprisingly gentle, playful personality. Don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button for more daily animal rankings.